something like this in the back, which is really cute. And like I said, with your little ponytail, like that. That's how it would look. Okay, y'all, so I have on the unit. This is how the lace looks, and y'all know this is a 360 lace, which means the lace goes all the way around. This is my very first time ever having a 360 lace. I've never had one before. The unit is really nice. So this is how it looks. Like I said, I haven't did anything to the lace, but you can glue this down or use some spray and just glue it down like this, but I can't see back there, so that'll be a little tricky for me to do, but I do like that. And I also like the 360 units because I know you guys have seen when the girls do the lace ponytails and everything looks so seamless. It's with the 360 lace, so I have to play with that a little bit more, kind of get used to it, because again, this is my very first time doing it and I didn't want to mess nothing up, so we're gonna just leave it. I'm not gonna glue anything, but the next go round I'll have it down pat. And then it has like the little short hairs that just kind of lay it naturally, you know, where it just falls naturally on your neck. So I really like that. The drawstring is a little different than what we are used to because this one is kind of plastic. It's one on each side. You just pull the drawstring down right here. But this is a body wave unit, can be worn glueless. I have some spray on mine. I love the density on this unit. Body wave, so it came with some curls in it. I'm going to go ahead and style her. Okay, y'all, so I put some curls in the hair. The hair is very soft. Y'all know I love this density. Really nice hair. Love it. So this is the style that we came up with. Super cute, really pretty. And I love this. And I love this. So if I wanted to do a ponytail, let's just try it. Tuck in my drawstring really quick. If you wanted to do like the little messy updo, it'll look something like this. And then this is how it would look in the back. Let's see. Yeah, so it would look something like this in the back, which is really cute. And like I said, with your little ponytail, like that. That's how it would look. Really, really pretty unit. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description box below.